Hello everyone, welcome back to Blender Express. Today, we'll learn how to create a glossy plastic material in Blender. Let's get started. First, divide the viewport into two. Switch one section to the shader editor and select the object. Next, delete the principal BSDF shader. We'll replace it with a diffuse BSDF and a glossy BSDF. Set the glossy BSDF roughness to 0.2, add a Fresnel node with the IOR set to 1.8. And use a mix shader with a factor of 0.05. We'll also need another mix shader and glossy BSDF nodes before connecting to the material output. Now, join all the nodes together as shown here. After that, let's add a plane as the floor and a light source for our object. Finally, go to the Diffuse node and set the color of your choice. And there you have it. A glossy plastic material applied to your object. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.